What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about this Minix SF16T Portable Monitor and another thing that's Minix. Yeah, this is also from Minix Wireless Dongle. This is USB-C to HDMI 1080p dongle. Minix also has HDMI to HDMI wireless dongle, and this dongle actually has made my life very easy. But before I talk about the dongle, look at the thickness of this portable display panel. It's super thin, isn't it? Okay, Minix SF16T costs around $249 and at this price point, this one offers the best value for money. This Minix SF16T actually performs like a beast. Okay, I need to mention that Minix has another edition which is a non-touch edition which is known as SF16, and that one actually costs less. That one is a much affordable option and costs only $199 but comes with the same display panel and offers the same performance. I have bought this SF16T because I prefer to have touch function. Well, let me tell you clearly that H1 and C1 dongle, C1 means USB-C wireless dongle, H1 means HDMI wireless dongle, and both the dongles actually cost the same, $69.9. Wireless HDMI has a wide range of applications where cable-free connectivity and flexibility are highly beneficial, such as presentations in meetings or using it in classrooms or for educational purpose, maybe for outdoor events or digital signature or video surveillance. Actually, there are a lot of use case scenarios, and having wireless connectivity actually makes life so convenient. The extender can wirelessly transmit a video signal from both mobile devices and laptops to a larger screen. It's easy to use, it's totally plug and play, simply plug in, pair and start to use. I have even played games as I have used this on my Nintendo Switch. There is no clutter, no latency, almost zero latency, so you can even play games without any issue. These are compatible with any laptops, tablets or smartphones which comes with USB-C which has DP alt video output activated, and for the H1, yeah, you can use that one with any laptop or any device which comes with a HDMI port. I usually use this wireless dongle from Minix to connect the Minix SF16T Portable Monitor with all of my devices. It's a very easy, totally plug and play. What I have to do is to put the transmitter into the USB-C port. If you don't have a USB-C port, if you want to connect it to a HDMI port, they also have a HDMI to HDMI wireless dongle. You can just use that one. It's as easy and simple as it can be. Just put the transmitter into the computer, laptop, tablet or smartphone or even on Nintendo Switch, and then put the transmitter into the Minix SF16T. Yeah, the transmitter need to be connected to a power. What I do is I use a power bank most of the time because that makes it more than portable. Yeah, a portable monitor should always be portable, and having this wireless transmitter and receiver, this Minix SF16T has become truly and totally portable. So I can carry around this Minix SF16T along with me through the office wherever I go or whatever I'm doing, because I usually use this portable monitor with a wireless dongle. Although Minix SF16T is a 1920 by 1200 resolution panel, it is even better than a lot of 2K panels. It actually offers the most natural color reproduction. As I do a lot of video editing and do some photo editing, color reproduction is one of the most important thing of my workflow. So yeah, I have tested this Minix SF16T side by side with many other portable monitors, and well, this SF16T from Minix is actually far better than almost all the other portable monitors within this price segment. Minix SF16T Portable Monitor supports 72% NTSC high color gamut, 74% DCI-P3 and 100% sRGB. Minix SF16T also goes very bright, super bright. Even under very heavy studio lighting, we have never felt like brightness is an issue. I use my MacBook Pro 16-inch M3 Pro side by side with Minix SF16T, and trust me, I have never felt that there is any difference in color grading or color reproduction. It works perfectly fine. On a boiling desert road, heading far away to some place we don't know. Is it true all the things they say, that we will come to an end?
Stepped out and I'm rolling, rolling out, no controlling. DNA ain't no hoeing, jumped in deep, never put no toe in. Stepped out and I'm growing, every day I've been growing. Never know where I'm going, and your bitch like how I'm flowing.
Here comes our Minix SF16T 16-inch portable monitor. Truly, in hand it's so very light, and yeah, one more time, it's so very thin that sometimes I feel like I'm not holding a portable monitor, but maybe a case of a portable monitor. Anyway, Minix actually has built this with premium materials. It comes with aluminum unibody. It's not like the back panel is built with aluminum, but actually it's an aluminum unibody. In front there is a bit of a chin, but that doesn't ruin the outlook and appearance. Actually, that bit of a chin and the bezel, that was required to make it much more sturdy and to give it a better build quality. There is a 3.5mm audio port, two USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 display port, full-sized HDMI 1.4 port, and all the ports are located on the right side. There is a LED indicator between the USB-C ports. Volume rockers and the power button is located on the left side. There is a USB-A port located on the left side. That's a USB-A 2.0 port. We can use either of the USB-C ports as video input port or as a power port. Both the USB-C ports support 100 watt maximum input and 85 watt maximum output. So we can actually use the ports to pass through power to our laptop or to the connected device. Okay, yeah, Minix SF16T 16-inch portable monitor requires additional power, and it's good to see that Minix has included a 33 watt GAN charger inside the box, and this charging brick comes with a USB-C and a USB-A port. At the back of this Minix SF16T, they have also added a foldable stand. We can actually use this stand to put this monitor into different viewing angle, and yeah, the hinge of that stand is very sturdy. Anyway, as this portable monitor is based on a IPS display panel, a very good quality, premium quality IPS display panel, we have a 178-degree viewing angle. As Minix SF16T Portable Monitor comes with two fully functional USB-C ports with display input and a full-sized HDMI 1.4 port, Minix SF16T Portable Monitor is compatible with almost all the devices. It supports almost all the available operating systems like Windows, macOS, iOS, iPadOS. Even we can play games using our Nintendo Switch, and yeah, any type of laptop you have or any type of tablet, you can use the Minix SF16T with all the devices. Minix SF16T comes with its integrated menu. The menu is actually touchscreen based, so we don't have to look for any buttons or anything. We can easily change the menu settings. Minix SF16T has a 16-inch IPS LCD panel, which has 1920 by 1200 resolution, supports 60 Hz refresh rate, it has 16 by 10 aspect ratio, and supports 16.7 million colors. Well, I've already mentioned the price is only $249 US, and with this price, you're not only gonna get the portable monitor, you are also gonna get a very good quality pouch. Well, that's all about this Minix SF16T. I'm gonna give this portable monitor 10 out of 10. Because this one is thin and light, it's truly portable. So when it comes to portability, Minix SF16T gets 10 out of 10. When it comes to price per performance ratio, one more time, it gets 10 out of 10. And finally, the most important thing, the display performance. As this one can reproduce truly natural colors, I'm definitely gonna give this one 10 out of 10 for its display performance. So altogether, it gets 10 out of 10. And when it comes down to outlook, appearance and build quality, I know outlook and appearance is a bit subjective, though I think I should give this one 10 out of 10 as I like the design and as it has a very good sturdy build quality. Don't forget about its thickness. It feels like it's as thin as a piece of paper. Okay, I've left the links of these products in the description box. Go ahead, check the products. But before that, one request. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.